Welcome back to Pet Care Service. Today we're talking about a very important topic. If you have a small bird like a budgie, a cockatiel or lovebird, you know how important toys are for. Keeping them active and happy. Today, I'll show you the best toys for small birds that are safe, fun, and perfect for your feathered friend. Why toys are important. Prevents boredom, reduces stress, and feather plucking. Encourages natural behaviors, chewing, climbing, foraging. Top toys for small birds. Main content.
1. Chew toys. Natural wood and rope-safe wooden toys. Rope toys. Helps beak health. 2. Foraging toys. Toys where you hide seeds or treats. Stimulates natural food hunting behavioral. 3. Climbing toys. Ladders and swings. Keeps them active and strong. Birds love swinging and climbing. 4. Bells and shiny toys. Birds love sound and reflection. Adds fun and curiosity. 5. DIY toys. Homemade paper rolls, coconut shells, cardboard pieces. Affordable and safe options. Safety tips. Avoid toys with sharp edges or toxic paint. Size matters. Small toys for small birds only. Rotate toys weekly to keep birds interested. So these were the best toys for small birds that will keep your pet happy and entertained. Which toy does your bird love the most? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pet care